Hello fly tyers, welcome to the Fanatical's Fly Tyers moment. This is Aaron at the fly desk, and once again I'm here with my son-in-law Cody. He's a beginner fly tyer, so he's giving me a little bit of feedback on our fly tying videos. Right now we're going to tie what is called a black zebra midge. We're helping Cody fill his fly box with some good go-to flies, and so this fly is super easy. You can either tie it on a scud hook or an emerger hook. This is a Komodo size 14 K2488 emerger hook, and we've got a little bead. What size was it? 3/32 from Rivers Wild. Just a little, it's a black bead from Rivers Wild. So what we're going to do first is we're going to put on some black thread. Today we're using the Danville 3/0 monocord. And then on my zebra midges in black, I like to use silver wire because I feel like it pops a little bit better, gives it a good solid ribbing. So I actually like to stick my wire inside the bead on the side of the hook, and on a size 14 you can use either small or medium wire. This is medium. If I go any smaller than 14, I'll usually just use the small wire. So once I'm back here where it starts to curve down, I will then give it 3 to 4 wraps behind the wire, and then I will simply come back up towards my bead to that point. Now what I'll do is I will carefully wrap my wire and make sure I have a good even wrap all the way to the front of the hook. Like so. Then I will wrap my thread over my wire and then cut it right down on the edge. And then the piece that I cut, I like to bend it and kind of mash it with my thumb right against the hook, and then I'll continue to wrap my thread over the top of that. Okay, so we're to that point. Now what I will do is I will simply whip finish the fly. And you can see we have nice even ribbing, goes right up behind that bead. And then we're going to do something a little special. We're going to pull out some Loon UV clear glue, and we're going to dab it right where that wire was, and I build up my black thread so it beads up right on top. And then I'm going to get my UV light, I guess one of my many UV lights. Cody was just asking me how many I have, but I'm trying a lot of different ones. I actually just got this little guy from Loon, and I actually like it quite a bit. It's really small and compact, and you can see the difference. It actually puts out a pretty good beam. So what we did is, this is the finished black zebra midge, and we put a little bit of UV glue right through here where the thread and the ribbing is. And what it does is that strengthens the fly, gives it a nice clean look, and makes it so your thread won't come apart after you catch 20 or 30 fish on the same fly. So thank you for watching the Fanatical's Fly Tyer moment with Aaron at the fly desk, and we hope to see you on the water soon.